This is a short tutorial on how to set up Freenet on Microsoft Windows. Freenet is a network that aims to provide freedom of speech through a network with strong protection of anonymity. Freenet is also censorship resistant. It is free and open source software. No company owns it or has any control over it. Before you proceed for this video tutorial, I assume that you have already installed Java on your system. If you don't know how to get Java, just click on the video now for a video tutorial on how to do so. Let's get started with Freenet. Start by opening your web browser. Now go to freenetproject.org and click on the big download button. Now just click on the downloaded file and an installer will pop up. Here you can choose your language, a different path for the installation, and other settings. If you are unsure, leave everything default. I choose to install a desktop shortcut. Click on Install and wait for the installation to finish. Now you can just click on Freenet on your desktop and a setup assistant will appear. Freenet will tell you that it would be a good choice to use a separate browser or the private mode of your browser. In this case, Freenet automatically uses the incognito mode of my browser Chrome. If you are unsure, you can leave the default values. In the next step you need to read carefully. Now you have to choose how much protection you want to have against a stranger attacking you over Freenet. Remember, the higher protection you choose to have, the slower your connection will be. If you are unsure, you can always choose normal for the questions about security levels. You can leave the internet connection type at default value if you have no idea what to choose. In the next step you can choose a data store size. If you have a fairly new computer you can set it to 10 to 30 gigabytes, the more, the better. Because a big data store helps the network and improves your Freenet experience. That's it. All you need to do now is to wait for Freenet to get some connections. So just close the browser window and have a look at Freenet in 5 minutes again. You can start to explore Freenet. Thanks for watching.